Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. Today we are making a wellness-inspired twist on a classic Chinese dessert, ginger milk pudding. By adding our Koso, we are transforming this traditional comfort food into a gut-healthy treat packed with postbiotics from over 100 fermented whole food. For this recipe, you only need 3 ingredients. Half cup of fresh milk, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger juice, 1 tablespoon of our Koso. First, let's prepare our fresh ginger. Gently peel the skin using a small spoon. This technique helps preserve more of ginger flesh compared to using a knife. Next, grate the peeled ginger finely. Transfer grated ginger to a strainer and press firmly with a spoon to extract all the juice. This concentrated ginger juice will help our pudding set. If you're using 2 cups, place half tablespoon of fresh ginger juice into each serving cup. Now warm your milk to exactly 70 to 75 Celsius degrees. This precise temperature is essential for a magical transformation that's about to happen. Here's a crucial step. Pour the warm milk quickly from a height of above 5 to 6 inches. This technique ensures proper mixing and helps activate the natural curdling process. Cover your cup immediately and let them rest undisturbed for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, gently remove the cover to reveal your perfectly set pudding. Notice the smooth, silky surface. That's exactly what we are looking for. Pour 1 tablespoon of our Koso. Probiotics, prebiotics, postbiotics, and polyphenols in our Koso will complement the ginger's beneficial properties. The addition of our Koso not only enhances the nutritional benefit, but also adds the subtle complexity to the flavor profile. You are getting the warming properties of ginger, the creamy comfort of milk, and the gut-healthy benefit of fermented food in one dessert. This postbiotic ginger milk pudding is perfect as a light dessert or a nourishing afternoon treat. Make sure you try this recipe. Remember to tag us when you make this at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more healthy recipes featuring our Koso. Visit our website to learn more about the benefit of fermented food and to get your own bottle of our Koso. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.